I've been testing Jobright.ai agent, and I'm not exaggerating when I say that it automates about 90% of the job search grind. Job matching, resume tailoring, and bulk applying all running in the background while you're literally doing anything else. So in this video, I'll be walking you through exactly what Jobright.ai agent actually is, how you can set it up and use it the proper way. So if you would like to follow the steps as you watch along this video, go ahead and get started using the link in the description below for your convenience. Now here is how you can get started. Once you have navigated to the link in the description down below, you start by uploading your resume. The agent will read through it, pulls out your skills, your experience, your education, and builds your profile automatically. You simply look it over and adjust anything that needs adjusting. This will take about a couple of minutes. After that, you set your preferences, what role you're going for, what level, which locations work for you, whether you want remote or not, some basic stuff. And as soon as you have those locked in, the agent starts pulling jobs that match. But here is what makes this different from a regular job board. It will show you 3 sample jobs right away and asks you to rate them, thumbs up or thumbs down. If you thumbs down a job, it asks you why. Maybe the role wasn't quite right, maybe the company wasn't a fit, whatever the reason is, the agent takes that feedback and uses it to get smarter about what it recommends next. Every rating makes future matches more accurate, it's learning from you in real time. And once your profile is ready, it will generate a job market fit report, a visual breakdown showing your background and how it compares to what employers are actually looking for at the moment. Education, years of experience, specific skills, it's all mapped out. Most people apply to jobs with zero idea whether they are a strong candidate or not. And this report changes that. It shows you where you are competitive and where you have gaps. And then it suggests ways to close those gaps, maybe adding a skill that's trending in your field, or broadening your filters slightly to catch roles you would have missed. You confirm what makes sense and skip what doesn't. After this step, your profile will be much stronger before you have applied to a single job. Now after that, we got the one-time automation setup, and this will save you a lot of time going forward. You will answer a short list of common application questions, work authorization, years of experience, that kind of stuff. All of these things will show up on almost every single application. You only do it once, and then the agent will remember it from that point on. Then you install the Jobright Chrome extension. Now this is crucial because it is what actually fills out the applications for you. When it's time to apply, the extension handles form fields in about a few seconds. Your name, education, work history, all of it is populated automatically. You only need to step in if there is a specific field the AI can't figure out, which honestly does not happen that often. After that, you pick how much control you want. There are 2 modes. You can go fully hands-off, where the agent applies for you automatically, or you can choose review before submit, where it queues up each application and waits for your approval before sending anything out. Either way, you are in control of the process. Nothing goes out without you deciding how you want it. You also decide how your resume gets handled, as you can let the agent generate AI tailored resumes for each job, or you can upload your own and have the agent work with that. Both options still get personalized. The agent adjusts keywords and highlights specific achievements to match each job description before every application. So yes, your resume actually changes for every single job. It's not a mass blast of the same documents. Now whenever you are in the daily flow, this is where the real value will hit. Every day the agent delivers a curated list of your best matched jobs. Not just a list of titles, it explains why each job fits you specifically. What skills matched, what about your background makes you a strong candidate for that role. That context makes it way easier to decide what's worth applying to. You browse through, pick the jobs that you want, or grab all of them and then add them to your application list. Once you're ready, you hit start. And then you watch it work. The agent will generate a custom resume for each job, opens the application page, fills in every field, and submits. About 5 seconds per application. You can also literally see it happening in real time. Now while that's running, you could be focusing on something else, maybe learning new skills, as the most tedious part of the job search is running on autopilot. And the more you use it, the better it gets. Every thumbs up you give, every thumbs down, every interaction will feed back into the system. Now one more thing worth mentioning is that the agent isn't just an application machine. You can actually use it as a career coach. You can ask it for advice on a specific role, get insights about where your industry is heading, ask for guidance on your next career move. Because it already has your profile, your preferences, and your market fit data, anything it tells you is specific to your situation. It will not be generic advice pulled from a blog post. It's grounded in your actual strengths and the real job market. Your data will stay safe the entire time, bank-level encryption, and they never share your information with anyone. The job search has been broken for a long time, way too manual, too repetitive, too much wasted effort. Jobright.ai agent takes that broken system and automates the parts that never needed to be manual in the first place. In turn, you focus on strategy, growing your skills, and choosing the right opportunities, and let the agent handle the grind. Once again, it's free and it's live for early access, and the link is in the description down below. Go ahead and try it out. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have found it to be helpful or informative to watch, let us know by giving us a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we make relating to this one.